Hello guys, another video from my car as every Saturday, and this video will be the last one for 2023 because I want to announce a few weeks of vacation on this channel. And this is actually the topic of this video, reflection for a year. Quite a lot of people do reflections and goals for the next year. So the routine we're working with, whether we're working in a company or a freelancer or on your own project, throughout the year we constantly run kind of like in a hamster wheel, releasing more features, reacting to demands from clients or managers or users, but we quite rarely think about why. Our own global goals for our life, for our career. Are we on the right path? Are we doing what we're supposed to do globally, not day to day, but I mean year to year? Is your career progressing in the right direction? Are you going fast enough or maybe too fast? So the thing that I've been thinking lately is that over this year, I was too ambitious with doing daily videos on this channel, then Filament Daily second channel, also releasing a few courses per month and free and premium tutorials on Laravel Daily, also tweets and newsletters and LinkedIn. So I've kind of put myself in that rut in the hamster wheel, which I enjoyed quite a lot, and I have a team for that now, of course, helping me. But I started questioning, why am I doing that? Is it really the way? And yes, actually, this is the way that made me successful, that brought me all that audience and popularity and money in the end. But do I still need to go daily as hard? And is there a need for that? So I will take these few weeks off to reflect, to rethink, and maybe come up with a new direction for this Laravel Daily channel. And also I've been silently working on a new project for 2024, which is not even about Laravel, but I will talk about that next year. Hope to launch that in January. But in general, the advice I want to give you is stop running and think about the direction you're running towards. Do you need to change something in your career? What programming language to learn, what projects to experiment on, maybe change the job. So think about something globally. What would be the trend for upcoming years? Maybe you need to learn some AI stuff as it's trendy now. Maybe you want to become full stack and learn front end if you haven't done it this way and stuff like that. Just think what globally you may want to change to adopt to the market to get better jobs, to get better projects, get paid more money, or just enjoy your career more. Don't forget about that part. For your own sanity and happiness, sometimes it's worth earning 10 or 20% less, but be happier. So for that, you may want to change the company you're working in. But these are just random examples. Just think about the year that has passed. Are you happy with your progress and what you want to change in 2024? I'm not talking about resolutions. I'm talking about reflection and global kind of plan. Resolution is kind of like to-do list more and motivational thing. And we may talk about that in upcoming year in the newer videos from my car. But for now, just slow down, as many people will over this Christmas period. And I even noticed that from the video engagement and tweet engagement in the last couple of weeks. People are already preparing for Christmas, slowing down, and I will do the same. For more than 3 years, I've been doing daily videos with only short breaks. And now it's time for a bit longer break, I think. So I will be back with new content in January in 2024. But for now, Merry upcoming Christmas to you. Happy New Year, and wishing you great holidays with your families. That's it for this time, and see you guys in other videos in 2024.